Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has reached my price target pretty much perfectly at 1280. Yeah, spot on. A few days ago in our Telegram signals group, I posted that a signal. Yeah, Ethereum is currently breaking out above the target box. At the time we were around 11. Let me just double check. 1134. Yeah, I posted Ethereum is currently breaking out above the target box. A retest of the box could push ETH to 1280. That target was now reached, which is fantastic. I'm showing you here the bullish count because one of the bearish scenarios has just been invalidated, but there is still another bearish one we can go with. Nevertheless, this is a good sign for the bullish case. It has just increased probabilities a little bit. However, we have not broken substantially above the 1280 level yet. So there's still a chance we can make that work here from a bearish point of view. And as long as we are not breaking substantially above 1280, I'm going to go primarily with the bearish scenario. So what would it mean to substantially break above 1280? Well, it would mean something like pumping above, retesting, going higher, breaking above this 50-day moving average, and then going to 1700. I mean, that would be the next target. Yeah, as I told you, you can see there is not much resistance left. There will probably be some resistance around 1500, 1550, where we have this area of trade. But other than that, in a bullish scenario, that is what would need to happen. We would now need to break out. Now, first of all, I would expect a retracement again. So it will stay probably for a while below the 1280 level, would be my view. Of course, I have no crystal ball. So if we break out above, I think we would see a fairly swift rally. For now, however, we are still below the important resistance box that you can see here. That is at 1280, starting basically at 1260 to 1280. We could count a 5-wave move up here, actually a more impulsive move than, for example, we can count on the Bitcoin chart. And looking at this, yeah, we have to count this probably now at the SD wave 1. That would be a new wave 1 here. So this is interesting, yeah. So we have another wave 1, and we would now expect a wave 2 retracement to the downside in a bullish scenario. Yeah, so that would be an ABC down now. Best indication that this is actually starting would be a move below 1200, and that is the swing low here. And best or better indication would even be a move below 1182, that wave 4 low. So looking at the overall retracement levels where we could expect it to land would be here between the 50% and a 61.8% fib level between 1138 and 1106. That's where I would expect it with the highest likelihood. We also have to pay attention to the 1171 level. That's the 38.2% fib level. Could already stop there. Yeah, we've seen that. But most likely would be a move between the 50% fib level and the 61.8 between 1138 and 1106. Again, it could drop lower as well. As long as we hold this swing low at $1,000, that's all fine, and we can still remain in the bullish scenario. But obviously it's all about likelihoods. So this would be the area where I would have most attention. Put most attention on, and from there we would then start in a wave 3. So what we would expect now in this move, I mean, don't forget, this could potentially be a super bullish foundation, what we're building here. A 1-2, a 1-2, and a 1-2. It is a super bullish foundation if that works out. Yeah, this would be super bullish. This would be an extended wave that goes to the upside. So be prepared for something here if this breaks out. And yeah, target, I mean, we don't know yet where the wave 2 will end, but let's say it ends at the 61.8% fib level, then that wave 3 here should take us to 1645, not far away from the $1,700 level. So again, that would confirm my view. If we really break out above 1280, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. So this is the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario here has just been invalidated. However, the bearish one is still my primary expectation, but it has to be a different one. It cannot be any more WXY and then 1-2. This has been invalidated. So it will have to be the other bearish scenario that I showed you already, basically a WXYXZ pattern, made you aware of that, where in the Z wave, to be honest, we could even move a bit higher, but I think we are fine for now. Yeah, we could stay here below 1280, and we would now expect down. We would now actually expect in this scenario a 5-wave move down. Yeah, this will be similar. This will be different now to this one, where we will expect in wave 2 a 3-wave move down. So wave 2 consists of 3 waves. In this scenario here, we would be looking now for something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it would be a 5-wave move. And this is now where these two scenarios are different. As we had it before, you know, in the bearish scenario and the bullish, I expected a move to the upside. So in any case, I expected a move up. It's actually nice for trading. Now, in any case, I would expect a move down. The question is now, in the next move, do we break that swing low? Or do we not break it and will only go to the 50 to 61.8% fib levels here? So that's interesting now, and I'll keep you updated. Yeah, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.